Hey again, folks, this is Lenny Rudo for Boat US Magazine. You know, we boaters love our outboard engines, right? But sometimes when we're doing our best to maintain them, we accidentally do things that actually hurt them. So today, let's talk about 3 maintenance don'ts. Here's maintenance don't number 1. At the end of the day, of course, you want to wash down your outboards, right? You want them to look nice. But whatever you do, don't scrub them with a scrub brush. These stiff bristles over time will wear away that beautiful finish. Instead, make sure you use a soft microfiber cloth like this or a dedicated wash mitt. This, folks, would be mistake number 2. If you have an outboard engine with a dedicated flushing port, when you go to flush your motor, whatever you do, don't turn the key and start it. That flushing port is designed to be used while the boat is not running. Now, if you have an earmuff set up where your lower unit is out of the water and you put earmuffs on it and run water that way, then yes, you do have to start it. But in this position, not at all. And in fact, that engine should be tilted all the way up with the propeller out of the water. Naturally, oil changes are a really important maintenance chore, but unfortunately, this is also somewhere where people sometimes go amiss. The problem is they put automotive oil in there. No way, don't do it. You have got to use dedicated outboard oil, including on a 4-stroke. Oil might look the same, but it's not. Dedicated outboard oil actually has corrosion inhibitors added to it. On top of that, it's much better at resisting shear stress, where mechanical action actually rips the molecules of the oil apart. So be sure you put the right oil in that outboard. You got to remember, folks, your car, it runs at 2,000, 2,500 RPM. Sometimes it revs up to 4,000, but your outboard, it's running at 4,000, 4,500 all the time. Of course, the biggest maintenance mistake you could possibly make is not maintaining your outboard in the first place. Follow your regularly scheduled maintenance and don't make these 3 maintenance mistakes, and your outboard will look great and run great for years to come. Well, folks, we hope you'll go to boatus.com, check out the magazine, and please comment below and let us know if there are any additional topics you would like us to address.